Hello everyone, this is Sunny from GELGOOG company. Today I will introduce our 800 kilogram per hour garlic powder production line customized for one of our clients. Let's go. This is a fully automatic continuous processing solution covering the entire workflow from raw material handling to multi-grade garlic powder output. In our experience serving global clients, some garlic processing factory usually faces several challenges: unstable peeling results, higher damage rates, inefficiency cleaning, inconsistent slicing thickness, and excessive impurities in the final product. In addition, traditional process often involves higher water consumption, difficult cleaning, and higher maintenance cost, and etc., making it very hard to meet the modern factory requirements. To address these challenges, GELGOOG has developed a complete and automatic garlic powder processing solution. The entire line features a compact layout, clear process flow, and stable continuous operation. Raw garlic is first fed into the clove separating system for automatic separation. The disc-based design allows flexible gap adjustment to accommodate different garlic sizes, ensuring uniform separation and reducing damage to the cloves. The separated garlic clove is entering this peeling system. This peeling machine adopts higher pressure airflow, which can remove the skin quickly and will not damage the garlic clove. And the skin collection system is also integrated in this system, which can make sure the higher efficiency and cleaning operation. After peeling, the garlic cloves are transferred to a bubble washing machine for a thorough cleaning, effectively removing impurities. Then they pass through a slicing machine for uniform cutting, followed by a second cleaning step to ensure the cleanness. The clean slice will transfer to this centrifugal dewatering machine, which can quickly remove the water on surface of the slice. Next, the slices enter the continuous drying system, where they are evenly heated and dried to meet the requirements of large-scale continuous production. After drying, the material is first pre-screened by a linear vibration screen, then processed by a milling machine to achieve uniform particle size. The milled material is conveyed via a vacuum feeder to a screening screen for fine grading. Multi-layer screening ensures uniform particle size and stable product quality. This garlic powder processing solution has been successfully implemented in multi countries and regions, helping customers improve capacity, stabilize product quality, and optimize costs. If you are looking for an efficient and reliable garlic powder processing solution, please feel free to contact us, GELGOOG, to make food production simpler and safer.